Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the lock model and locating the programming code. This is critical. Once ready, make sure batteries are fresh. Low power can abort changes. Approach the keypad, open the interior cover, and press the program button once to enter programming mode. You will hear a beep and see a flashing LED. This confirms the lock is listening. Now, enter the current programming code precisely, because the lock validates it before allowing any code edits. Once done with programming access, choose a user slot. Pick an existing slot number to overwrite or an empty one to add. Press the corresponding slot command, then type your new user code. Keep it 4 to 8 digits for compatibility. Make sure to follow with the required confirmation key, typically the check mark or pound sign, so the lock knows you've finished. Re-enter the new code when prompted. The lock will beep twice and flash green when it accepts the change, confirming success. To finish, exit programming mode by pressing program again or simply wait for the lock to timeout. This saves your changes. Immediately test the new code twice, lock then unlock to confirm reliable operation. If the code does not work, make sure you use the correct programming code and that batteries are strong. A quick power cycle often clears temporary faults. If problems persist, re-enter programming mode, repeat the change carefully, and, as a last resort, review.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.